Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a 2-in-1 smart battery charger and tester. This is a combination of a smart automotive charger and a professional battery tester. Okay, so you're going to gain a powerful multi-function tool that saves money and space. This is the TB6000Pro from TOPDON. I know you guys been asking me for a charger that you can actually install on your generators. Well, this one right here comes with a pigtail that you can do exactly that, and you can use it with everything else. You have a lithium battery over here, a regular car battery, and an AGM deep cycle battery. It can actually charge every one of those, and it will automatically pick and see which battery type. It has a user program, and guys, it's app based. That's the best part. I've tested so many chargers. I can't tell you how nice this one is. You can actually see all the report, pre-report and post charging on your phone. I'll show you guys that. It has a 9-step charging. So it diagnoses your battery. It has desulfation, pre-charge, soft start, bulk charge, absorb, analyst, a recondition, and then it'll switch to maintenance. So if you put this on your generator, you know your battery is going to last a very long time. It's not going to sit there and die when you need it. You know that's very important. When you come to start a generator in a power outage situation, last thing you want is a dead battery. Let's go ahead and unbox the product first, and then we'll get to that. Okay guys, this is the charger. See, it's not that big, but it packs a punch. Okay, there it is. Let's get it out of the box. You have your user manual right here. This is the cable I was talking about for the generators. We're going to install this on our generator battery and kind of keep this on the side. Whenever we need to plug the charger in, we'll just pull this out, plug it in, and your generator is ready to go. So we'll save this one for when we install this on the generator. You can also install this on your car, your boat, RV, off-road vehicle. Like if you have a Razor or something like that, you can also install it on that. Guys, look at the size of these alligator clips. Look at this. This is huge. And they didn't power just one. So the cable doesn't go to just one. This one and that one gets the power. Okay? Both of them get power with the ground and the positive. Once you plug it in, it will come on. Shows your voltmeter. It says 12 volt normal. That's usually the way it comes out. See that BT right there? Bluetooth compatible. This one will do 12 volt at 6 amps. That's normal supply. 12 volt at 3 amp for small batteries. 12 volt 1 amp in repair mode. 6 volt 3 amp normal. So that's for 6 volts. All right. And it will automatically detect the battery. Let's do our AGM and I'll just run through some of the settings. Okay. This battery is 12.4, 12.3. Okay, there's the app. Okay. Click on there and you can see. Let's just lay this down. I'm going to go through the app. Wait. All right, there you go. There it is right here. Start charging. So battery pretest. Okay. It's showing what it's doing. It's putting 6.2 watts into the battery. Let's go to, that's the current and the volts. So you have amps on this side and 12.2 on this side. I think I got it. The blue is voltage. So it's the voltage is going up and then your amps is coming up at the same time. You guys see this? It's saying the battery levels at 35%. Charging time is it's not showing anything yet. Charge power is showing what it's putting into the battery. Right now it's put 0.1 watt hour into the battery. Charging mode, it says lead acid. Well, AGM is a lead acid. That's right. And you can go right here and view the report. This is before charging report. You guys, battery life is 55%. Internal resistance 4.40. So it gives you all kind of information. And then after it's charged, we can go to the after charge. You can share this, you can save the report, you can put a picture of the battery. Pretty cool. Let's go back. And you see it just shows you what it's doing on the screen also. Battery's at 13.2 and the charge rate is at 50%. So you see it right there. Battery charge is at 50%. Charge time, 2 minutes. Charge power, it tells you exactly 0.8 watt hours put into the battery at 0.1 amp hour. You can go right here to the charge. It will show you exactly what it's doing and what step it's at, 1 to 9. Battery level, 75%. Yeah, it shows you everything, guys. This is one of the most intuitive chargers I've ever used. So I'm going to keep it charging and just let it do its thing. Quick charging, there's a 9-step smart charging testing option. So you could just go right here and actually do a test. So you do the battery test, charge test, crank test. Okay guys, so I went through the charger. I showed you what it can do. It has so many settings, and like I said, it can do a lithium battery, car battery, which is like a deep regular battery. It can do deep cycle batteries. This is a deep cycle AGM battery. So whichever battery you have, if it's RV, boat, car. So I'm going to use this generator to show you the installation of the pigtail. All right, let's hook it up to this generator and see how it charges the battery. If you have a generator, it doesn't matter what size, as long as you have a battery that needs charging. If your generator did not come with a battery charger, this is a great addition to it. Add one of these. This charger comes with it. Add it to your generator. It doesn't matter if it's a GenMax, Predator, Honda, Duramax. It does not matter. Just find the battery, install this on your battery, red to red, black to black. Tuck this on the inside. When you store your generator, just flip it out and charge it. Let's get started with this installation. The reason I picked this generator is the battery is right there on the outside, and it makes it real easy to install. So let's just install it real quick, and then we can hook up the charger and see what it looks like. There you go. Get the black one connected. Black to black, red to red. Okay guys, once you connect your battery, you just plug it into the charger, and now you have a charger that was gonna charge your battery, charge your generator battery, and maintain it when it's in storage. Okay, so real simple install. Just add this onto the battery. When you're done, you can just unplug the charger when you're using a generator and tuck this somewhere on the side when you're running it. That's it, perfectly fine. Okay guys, the TOPDON TB6000 Pro. Guys, if you like this charger, go ahead and go down in the description. I have a link to this charger. Check it out. Actually, the best charger I've tested. I love the app. I love that about it. I love the fact that it has an app base and maintenance mode, and you can see everything that's happening to your battery. And if getting it tested, that's just being a charger and a tester, that's just absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for a charger for your RV, your boat, your car, batteries around your house, generator, battery, charger, and maintainer, this one will do it for you. I know you guys asked me to find a charger. There you go. Here's one right here. Check it out. TOPDON TB6000Pro. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. And please, guys, check out the link down in the description. Before you ask me, how do you get it? The link is down in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.